Welcome back, children. In our civics lesson, diversity and discrimination. In video 1, we have discussed about diversity and discrimination. Diversity means difference, and discrimination means treating differently. We have also studied rigidized means to judge the people negatively or see them as inferior. Like we think that English is the best language, and we look at the person who is not well dressed and we think that he doesn't know anything or he's illiterate, and we have some attitude towards it which affects in building up our relationship with the other people. So today we'll learn about creating stereotypes. I'll give you a few examples. Look at the pictures of the boys and the girls here, and I'll give a statement that they don't cry. With whom is this statement associated with? Of course, with boys, because they don't cry. Why is it so? Because they are brought up like that. Even during their childhood, while playing, if they fall and they cry, how do the family members or the parents console him? By saying that, no, don't cry, you are a boy. Boys are always strong. And boys start believing that crying is a sign of weakness. Even if they feel like crying when they are angry or in pain, they stop themselves from doing so. If I say another statement, like they are soft and gentle and they are well behaved, whom does it apply? Yes, it applies to girls. And this is how the girls and boys start believing that each one of us must behave accordingly. Actually, we fit all the boys and all the girls into an image that society creates around us. This is what means stereotype. Like when we fix people into one image, we create a stereotype. Let us see more in detail. Stereotype it also prevents us from doing certain things that we might otherwise be good at. When we tend to see some persons into a predefined image, this is called making a stereotype. Many stereotypes are present since thousands of years. Some examples are prevalent stereotypes as girls are supposed to be soft spoken, as I already told you, and boys are supposed to be aggressive and naughty. Gender based stereotypes are often portrayed even in films, advertisement, and serials. Apart from gender-based stereotypes, we also see stereotypes based on religion, caste, and place of origin. When we fix people in one image, we create a prejudice about it. Like stereotype stops us from looking at each person as a unique individual with his or her own special qualities and skills that are different from others. Stereotypes affect all of us as they prevent us from doing certain things that we might otherwise be good as. Like, for example, boys cooking in the house. Though boy might be very good cook, he is he loves cooking, but he is not allowed, or the society has created the image such as no, cooking part only girls have to be done. Even if you see it at the picture here, who are these? Children disabled, but now they are being called children with special need. This is also a type of stereotype, which means like the common stereotype about them is like they think people think a lot, all sort of things about them, and they make fun of us. They even feel shy if someone looks at them, and they even think that though I am not able to walk, maybe my mind also doesn't work. This is what the people think about these children with special needs. This is also kind of stereotype. Do you think such children with special needs should be a part of regular school or should be given in a separate school? Of course, they should be the part of our school so that they don't feel neglected and they also enjoy learning with you all. Okay, children, this was about stereotypes. Next part, we'll learn about inequality and discrimination.